Hello everyone, this is Ian here with UnlockThatPhone.com and Unlocking Universe Incorporated. We are going to do a unlocking video today for the new 4G Blackberry Torch 9810. Just came out for AT&T today, also a bunch of other carriers around the world. I'm going to show you how to unlock it so you may use it on any GSM carrier in the entire world. So, the very first thing to do to unlock this phone is to power it up, obviously, with your new SIM card. New being, a non-AT&T one, or you really don't have to. But when you do that, you're going to see here that it's going to ask you if you want to enter the unlock code for the SIM card. We don't recommend doing that only because it does glitch all the time and it will just not accept the code. Don't do it this way, it'll make it more complicated. So we're going to hit no. Okay, and then we are going to go to the keyboard here and dial *#06#. Okay, on the screen you're going to get your IMEI 15-digit number unique to every single phone. That's what we use in order to get the unlock code. You're going to write that down or keep that screen open. Head on over to UnlockThatPhone.com, or you can also go to UnlockingUniverse.com. It will redirect you right here to our site, and you will see the drop-down menus. First one is the carrier. In this case it's AT&T, but remember it comes from all different carriers around the world, so just select yours. The manufacturer is Blackberry. The model is the Blackberry Torch 9810. It's a Torch 2. You enter the IMEI into this line right here. You'll hit unlock now. You're in the cart. You can either pay with debit, credit, or PayPal. We'll get you the code there right away. So when you do end up getting the code from us, you get an email here, and it will have a thank you, obviously with the code and some instructions. So let me show y'all how to do the unlock process, okay? The very first thing you're going to want to do is pull this down for you here. You don't have to have the connections off, but we're going to do it in this case. If you tap the time, it'll drop down this menu here that has all the connections possible for the phone. I'm going to go ahead and hit all off. Okay? And then I'm going to swipe. Actually, I'll hit the end call button here. Brings it back up. There you go. Upper right hand corner says off. Okay? Very next thing you want to do is hit the Blackberry button. Go down to options. And actually, you don't want to do that. You're going to want to hit the all button here, and there you go. It brings you up here. And you're going to want to find options, which is where I wanted to be before. Okay? And then you want to go find device, which is right here. And then down to advanced system settings, all the way in the bottom. Okay? And then you're going to want to go to SIM card. Whoop. It's right there. Okay. Now you're at SIM card. Got the keyboard slit open here, and you're going to type M as in Mary, E as in Edward, P as in Paul, and then D as in David. So if I go ahead and do this here, M as in Mary, E as in Edward, P as in Paul, and D as in David. Now, when I did that, you're going to see here that it says network active, and that means that it is locked right now. If you're overseas or you're up in Canada, a lot of times the carrier you use will actually lock a service provider, and that is going to say active as well. So for the network, we're going to type MEP2, and you're going to do all this while holding the Alt key. If the service provider was also locked, you type MEP4. So watch here. So we hold the Alt key and type MEP2. And when that's done correctly, remember you got to hold the Alt key. It's a little difficult to see. I apologize. It was MEP2 while holding the Alt key. You're going to get a box here. Enter network MEP code. That is the unlock code that we gave for you. And what I'm going to do is pull up the email that had the code in it, and I'm going to enter it. So the code for this particular phone, and you want to use the physical keyboard here, is going to be 6954589533093. I got that there, and then I'm going to hit the trackpad. Code accepted, and now you will see it says network is inactive. Finish this video up here real quick. I'm going to tap the time. Oop. Tap the time. I'm going to restore the connections, and then if you give it a second, you will see here that it will pick up the T-Mobile network. So just while this is loading, guys, a reminder, you dial *#06# on the phone. It will bring up your IMEI. You go to unlockthatphone.com or unlockinguniverse.com. Both take you to the same place. You'll enter the phone's information in, you'll get your code, and you will be all set here. And let's see here. I did look up pickup signal. There we go. And you are running T-Mobile USA on the all-new 4G Blackberry Torch 9810 from AT&T. And that's about it, guys. Appreciate you watching as always. Look forward to you unlocking your phone. Thanks.